Welcome to Savings Highway Global. SHG is the place to be, where we save, share, and prosper. This is not a guarantee of health, savings, or earnings. All results vary. Savings Highway was started in 2006. We have an A+ rating with the BBB. We've helped people save millions of dollars, and we've paid millions to our affiliates. Join our mission to help 1 million families and beyond become completely financially free and abundant. This is myself, Steve Gresham, and my wife, Luce, and we are excited to welcome you to the SHG family. We have a great advisory board with over 200 years combined successful business experience, and they're all here to help you succeed. As a Savings Highway Global member, you'll save big on travel, shopping, dining, and more. The average member actually saves between $5,000 and $10,000 per year, and we're going to show you how. First, you'll get our amazing employee shopping discount program with discounts on pretty much everything you want to buy. It's a platform with exclusive discounts with every category you can think of. For example, save $88 at Macy's, $66 with Nike, 25% off at Target, and save thousands on cars. These are members-only pricing with tons of name brand stores, millions of dollars saved. Once you sign up, make the phone call and you can save between $500 and $2,000 on your car insurance. Let our experts do all the work and get you the best rates from top insurance companies. Make one more phone call and save hundreds on your home or renter's insurance. You're also going to get access to the world's greatest travel engine. I've used this probably 20 times myself, and we always save between 20 and up to 75% off. 141 countries all around the world. Here's a couple of examples where you can see a public price of $605, and we have the same exact hotel for $306. Other examples here, saving 49%, 34%, 30%. You'll enjoy savings in 141 countries worldwide. And would you like to get $1,500 vacations for as little as $300 per week? Here you see some of our great deals in Orlando, Florida. And now we're off to France for more incredible savings. Do you know anybody who ever buys a new or a used car? Well, our members literally save $3,000, $4,000 or more on new and used cars. We can also help you to lower your bills with our optional Lowering Your Bills program. Who do you pay for your cell phone, your TV, your internet, lawn service, pest control, and more? We will renegotiate your bills for you, and you keep the same service providers, no switching, and just pay less money. This can literally help you save hundreds, 1,000 or more per year. Next, you'll save on domain names, hosting, and SSLs. We provide the same exact backbone as GoDaddy for less money. Plus, you can get incredible savings on webinar services. With SHG, you can get a 500-person conference room for only $12.99 per month as a Platinum member. One of the biggest expenses in your budget is your taxes. We will show you how to save an average of $3,000 to $10,000 on your taxes every single year just by being a member and following a few simple procedures. You'll also access lower-priced health care. We have great plans for members, employers, zero-deductible plans, more affordable plans, and you'll get all the information inside your members area. Now, Platinum partners can also earn commissions for referring health care. You can set up free consultations with employers. Let our licensed experts do all the work for you, and you can get paid monthly. Now, we know everybody's got to eat, so we will also help you save money on groceries and dining. When you use our savings calculator, you'll find that most people, including yourself, will probably save at least $5,000 to $20,000 a year on the things you're already doing. Now, it's simple math. $100 for a Platinum membership or $20 for a Gold to save thousands of dollars. It's a win-win, and what many members call a complete no-brainer. Plus, for a limited time, when you join as a Platinum partner, you'll get $4,000 in free bonuses. Bonus number one, this is a limited time $500 bonus of grocery savings. You'll get a special code to register on the Grocery Savings website. Pick the coupons you want. They will cut them and mail them for you. Absolutely hassle-free. And you'll also get an amazing $500 shopping and dining bonus provided by Entertainment.com. You'll save money on dining, shopping, and entertainment at many of your favorite restaurants and favorite stores. Together, that's a $1,000 bonus for your $100 Platinum membership. And next, put your vacation on layaway. You'll receive a $3,000 vacation to Mexico or a $1,700 vacation to the USA or Europe just for being a Platinum partner for 12 months. It's your vacation on layaway, and it's our way of thanking you for being with Savings Highway Global. This is one of the photos of the actual 5-diamond vacation you can get in Mexico. You get 1 point per month, and when you have 12 points, pack your bags for your dream vacation. Our members are saying we save and earn thousands of dollars, and you can too. Here's just a couple of testimonials. Lisa saved $1,000 on her car insurance. Kevin saved over $400 on a brand new laptop. Fern helped her grandson save $2,300 on his bills. Les saved $4,300 on a purchase of a new Dodge Journey. And Harold saved $62,000 on his bills for his Papa John's stores. Now, do you want to save money or make money or both? If you're like most people, you'll want both. Introducing the Savings Highway Compensation, the most lucrative compensation plan ever with the lowest price. Save, share, and prosper. Now we're going to show you 10 ways you get paid in the amazing SHG opportunity. When you refer a Platinum partner for only $100, you'll receive a $50 Fast Start bonus. When you refer a Gold member for $20, you'll receive a $10 Fast Start. And that's just the beginning. We have a special promotion. We call it a Fast Action Bonus. When you refer 3 Platinum partners in your first 7 days, we'll give you an extra $100 bonus, so you'll make $250. If you refer 5 Platinum partners in your first 14 days, you'll get an extra $200 bonus and get $450 out of the $500 in sales. And when you refer 10 Platinum partners in your first 30 days, you receive a $500 bonus. Add that to your Fast Start, and you get $1,000. That's 100% of the volume paid directly to you. If you refer 20 Platinum partners, you'll double it. 30, triple it. 40, quadruple it. We've had some members come in and make over $5,000 their first month with these bonuses. Now, the bonuses are not cumulative. Fast Starts are paid in 7 days. Fast Action bonuses are paid after your first 30 days. Income stream number 2, not only are we going to pay you on your personal referrals, we're going to pay you on their referrals and their referrals and so on and so on and so on. We pay up to 100% in Fast Start bonuses. Let's look at Platinum. When you refer a Platinum partner, as we discussed, you make $50. But when they refer a Platinum partner, you'll make a $10 override. And when they refer a Platinum partner, $5, and that can go on up to 10 levels. We'll pay up to $100 on the $100 in. Gold is the same thing. 10, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, all the way up to $20 paid. Let's look at what can happen with Fast Start bonuses when you just refer 2 people. These charts are all about Platinum. Gold is just 20% of what Platinum is. So level 1, you referred 2 members personally. You made $50 per member. That's $100. Congratulations, your next month is already paid for. Now, as those 2 refer 2 each, you'll have another 4, and you're going to make $10 for their efforts, so that's $40. As those 4 refer 2, that's 8. As those 8 refer 2, that's 16, 32, 64. And just with everybody referring 2 each, in that scenario, you'll make $5 per member on levels 3 through 10, yielding you over $10,000. Not bad for a $100 business in helping 2 people save money. But let's see how much greater it can become when you help more people. You can become wealthy by helping 3 people save, share, and prosper. On level 1, you referred 3 platinums. You made $50 per each, so that's $150. Now on level 2, you make $10. So as those 3 refer 3 each, that's another $90 paid to you. As those 9 refer 3 each, that's 27 times 5, that's 135. And as you can see, it goes down 400, 1,000, 3,000, 10,000, 30,000, 98,000, up to $400,000 in fast starts by helping 3 people to save more money than they spent, and then helping them help 3 each. By the way, when you refer 3, you will rank up to manager, which is really important for your monthly commissions. Let's look at what can happen when you help 4 people save money. Now, this is not a guarantee of income. However, this is the actual mathematical possibility. If you help 4 people, and they help 4, and they help 4 each through 10 levels, you can make close to $7 million. And what if you even made 10% of that? How would $700,000 be? What if you even made 1%? How would $70,000 in extra income help you this year? All you have to do is join Help 4, Help 4. And just imagine what can happen when you become an executive by helping 10. And they help 10 and so on. 10 can become 100, can become 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and 1,000,000. Now think about it. There's 7 billion people on this planet. How many millions of them want to save money? Look at the amount of money you could make. It's amazing. It's the lowest cost business ever that can help you to actually make millions of dollars by helping people save more money than they spend. Doesn't it make sense? Thousands and thousands of people are joining, just like you. They are saving money, making money, and you can too. Plus, you get paid monthly for the referrals you make one time. Refer 4 and pay no more. You will get $25 monthly per platinum personal referral, and you'll get $5 monthly per gold referral. That money goes into your reserve account and pays for your next month, so your card is never charged. And you're going to get paid monthly for your team. This is called residual income, getting paid month after month, year after year for the work you do one time. Introducing our Millionaire Matrix. In your 3x12 matrix, you will earn commissions based on the efforts of other people, not just your own. When you refer 3 members, your first level will be filled. When you refer more members, they must spill in the team of one of your first 3 members. Everybody can help each other with the People Helping People system called the Matrix. You can get more in-depth training on the Matrix in other videos, but just understand that if you were to refer a few platinum partners, and they referred a few, and so on, that your potential income is up to $47 million a year, almost $4 million a month potential. This plan is designed to help you change your life forever and never have to worry about money again. We want you to save, share, and prosper. Now, if that's not awesome enough, you can also earn 10% matching bonuses on those members that you refer. Become a director with 5 referrals, and you'll get a 5% monthly matching bonus on the matrix checks of all your personal referrals. Become an executive with 10 personally referred members, and you'll earn a 10% match on all of their monthly matrix checks. This is unlimited and can create big incomes for you. Now that's our membership income, and it's amazing. Think about it, potential to become wealthy with a $100 membership. But you can also get paid more. You can get paid for helping people lower their bills and helping businesses lower their bills. You can also get paid for sharing the healthcare with other members and with businesses. We have many lucrative contests and promotions. You never know when the next contest or promotion is going to happen. And coming in 2022, SHG will launch our store with customer services. See, you may have people that just want to buy 1 or 2 services. You'll be able to sell these to customers, to businesses, and make monthly residual income. And it will be paid in your 10-level unilevel structure. So even people that you refer and people they refer and people they refer and so on, when they're selling services, you will earn commissions. And last but not least, income stream number 10, 5% corporate profit sharing. Based on 10,000 platinum partners, 5% of the corporate profits will be divided up with the top leaders in the company. You want to advance the ranks so you can get paid not only on your team, but on the efforts of the entire company. Isn't that a wonderful feeling to know you can get paid just like owning stock based on the success of the entire company of SHG? And for those of you leaders, become an executive trainer with 12 personals. You'll get a $200 monthly lifestyle bonus in addition to your commissions. Senior executives with 15 personals and 1,000 in your matrix or unilevel will receive a $500 monthly lifestyle bonus and a very nice SHG ring. Become a vice president with 20 personals and 2,500 in your matrix or unilevel. Get a $1,000 monthly lifestyle bonus. Senior vice presidents with 25 personals get a $2,000 monthly lifestyle bonus. And for you top leaders, become an ambassador with 30 personals, 10,000 in your matrix or unilevel. You get a $5,000 monthly lifestyle bonus and a beautiful his or hers Breitling diamond watch. And the top position, Crown Ambassador. You're going to deserve it for building an amazing team. 35 personals, 25,000 in your matrix or unilevel. In addition to all the money you're going to be making, you'll get a $10,000 monthly lifestyle bonus. Now, how do you get paid? We'll pay you by Visa debit card or by Bitcoin. As soon as you earn enough commissions, we send you the card. Then you can transfer money to your bank or use it just like a Visa. Or just choose Bitcoin and we'll pay you directly every week by Bitcoin. You can build a legacy with SHG. Save thousands on the things you already pay for. Earn monthly income, become debt-free, become financially abundant, travel, see the world, get a new car, have money for retirement, leave a positive legacy for your family. Join our mission to help 1 million families become debt-free and make sure your family is one of them. Save, share, and prosper. Become a platinum partner. Make a powerful decision right now. Do like thousands of others and join Savings Highway. As a platinum partner, you'll get amazing benefits worth thousands of dollars. And you can even save money as a gold member too. Your success is ahead. Click the join button now and we'll see you on the inside where we'll help you to start saving money and making money today. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Join now.